Hallo Leute, wie geht es? So, hi friends. Today's topic is very interesting and important. If you are working in Germany or you are planning to work there, these phrases, today's video, is very important for you. At the same time, very beneficial for you. So, if you are a beginner, you can use these phrases at your workstation. So, we'll start with the video. Now I'll share one screen with you so you will get the idea. What are these phrases at the workstation? German at work. So I have divided this video into 5 sections or 5 parts. So one by one we'll see. Now the first section is all about greetings at work. Okay, we'll always start. We always start with greetings, right? At the beginning. So we'll also start here with greetings at work. Guten Morgen is good morning, or Guten Tag, good day. Hallo is hello. Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? Mir geht es gut, danke. If someone asks you, wie geht es Ihnen? Here you have to use Sie, Ihnen, okay? Because this is formal discussions or formal greetings, you can say. So mir geht es gut, danke, meaning I am fine, thank you. So these are the basic greetings. At work, you can start your day with these greetings. Now the next section is introducing yourself, right? Whenever you introduce yourself at the workstation, so you have to introduce very in brief fashion, or you can say very formally, right? It should be related to your profession, your work. So you will start with Ich heiße, whatever your name is. My name is so and so. Ich arbeite als, meaning I work as a, whatever your profession is. Profession is called as Beruf in German. So you have to speak or you have to tell your profession. I work as a, whatever your job is. For example, ich arbeite als Ingenieur, meaning I work as an engineer. Okay, so here you have to put your profession, whatever your job is. Ich freue mich, Sie kennenzulernen, meaning nice to meet you. Section 3 is useful office phrases. So first one is, this is very important. Können Sie mir bitte helfen? Meaning, can you please help me? So whenever you want some help, you can ask that person, können Sie mir bitte helfen? Or you can ask like, ich habe eine Frage, meaning I have a question. This is also very important. So you have to use it more often if you are new to that company. Einen Moment bitte. One moment, please. Ich verstehe. I understand. Ich verstehe nicht. I don't understand. Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Meaning, can you please repeat that? Wiederholen is to repeat. So politely, you can ask like that. Now, section 4 is meeting and work tasks. So this is all about having meetings and doing some tasks at the workplace. Wir haben ein Meeting 10 Uhr. We have a meeting at 10 o'clock. Das ist eine gute Idee. This is also very important phrase. Gute Idee. You will hear it more often. That's a good idea. Ich erledige das heute. I'll take care of that today. If your employer, he or she, gives you some task, then you can say, ich erledige das heute. I will take care of that today. Or if you want some more time, you can say, Ich brauche mehr Zeit, meaning I need more time. Now, section 5 is ending a conversation. How to end the conversation at workplace. Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe, meaning thank you very much for your help. If someone helps you. Bis später, meaning see you later. And formally, if you want to say goodbye, always you have to say auf Wiedersehen. This is the formal way of saying goodbye, right? Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye in formal way. So this is all about some phrases, useful phrases at the workstation, at your workplace, right? So if you are a beginner, these phrases are very, very helpful for you. In day-to-day life, you can use these phrases. Comment me in the comment box, whatever your profession is. So I will come up with those videos, those phrases which are particularly related to your profession, right? So we'll have other videos also. You can comment me in the comment box. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.